And here's I will show you two different ways to scan a PDF document in iPhone. So first of all, let's use the Notes app to scan document. Open the Notes app in your iPhone and create a new note. Now tap on this attach icon and here select scan documents. And here we can see my camera open. Now I'm going to scan this paper, for example. So I'm just scanning this paper just like so. And all you have to need, focus on your text and just tap on this camera button. And that's how you can go ahead and scan multiple documents at the same time. Now tap on save here. And here we can see all of my scanned documents successfully attached into this note. Now just tap on share. And here let's select here save to files. And you can go ahead and select a folder to save scanned documents. Now let's go to our Files app and navigate to the folder. So here's the scanned document PDF file. And now I'll show you the second option to scan PDF document in iPhone. To do that, you have to come to your Files app in your iPhone and just go to the folder and tap on this three dot. And here tap on scan documents from your Files app. And now do the same thing, go ahead and scan the document. So here's my document, I'm going to scanning. And tapping on keep scan. Tapping on save. And here, as you can see, my document successfully saved, and here is the document PDF. So this is how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.